Hello students, in the previous videos we have learned various trigonometric ratios, sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cosec theta, sec theta and cot theta. Alright, now using those fundamental trigonometric ratios we are going to solve some exercise problems from Ncert textbook mathematics, which is adopted by various other state boards. So students of those boards where this Ncert textbook is followed, like Assam, the students of those states can follow this and watch it for their solution. Now see, in exercise 8.1, page number 181 of the textbook, the problem is given here. I have the textbook with me. In triangle ABC, right angle at B, right angle at B, AB is 24 centimeter, BC is 7 centimeter. Then find the other ratios, like what we have to find out. Here it is given sin A, cos A, sin C, cos C. We have to find out. Alright. So I am not writing the questions. Questions are already there in the book. Just you match with the exercise and the question in your textbook. So in order to find out any trigonometric ratios, we need at least two sides. So, but whenever there is a sin and cos there is hypotenuse must. Alright. If we need to find out sin and cos, then reciprocal ratio of sin, that is cosec, and reciprocal of cos, that is sec, then we need hypotenuse, that is must. All the three sides we need in case of sin and cos. So that is why two sides are given. Then third side, by using by Pythagoras theorem, we have to use this. What does Pythagoras theorem says? The square of the longest side in a right angle triangle is equal to the sum of the squares of other two sides. Alright. So I have used it. AC is the hypotenuse, then AB square plus BC square. AC square, this 24 square plus 7 square. Now this power has been transposed, then it becomes root. So this comes the value, and here I have taken the root. So AC is 25. Alright. AC is 25. Please take the screenshot so that it become handy for you to watch it later on, or you can download the video. Now I am rubbing this portion. So now number 1 says determine sin A, cos A, sin A and cos A. Now we know whenever we use sin A, then this angle, alright, this angle we are going to use. So sin A is equal to what was that ratio? Opposite side by hypotenuse. Opposite side by hypotenuse. Opposite side by hypotenuse. So what is hypotenuse? What is opposite side of that angle? 7. What is hypotenuse? 25. So your sin A becomes 7 by 25. The sin A becomes 7 by 25. Alright. Same way, number 2. The second one, this part of number 1 only, and cos A. Cos A, first we have to write the ratio that we have learned earlier. What is the ratio? Cos, that is adjacent side by hypotenuse, adjacent side of the mentioned angle. Adjacent side of A. Alright, adjacent side of A by hypotenuse. Then cos A becomes, what is cos A? adjacent side is 7. Sorry. Adjacent side is this 24. Adjacent side is 24 and hypotenuse is 25. Very simple. So in this way we can solve or find out any trigonometric ratios when our three sides are given. Not an issue. Just you have to remember what are the ratios. So before practicing the exercise, so once you write all the ratios in the right side of the paper, sine, cos, tan, cosec, sec and cot, and keep it always revising. Alright, so I am rubbing it. I am not using here any digital boards, because I left that this board is a traditional and a raw class. I don't have any background music, no editor, nothing. It's a raw class. You feel like it's a raw class. Now second one of number 1 given here, sin C and cos C. Sin C and cos C. Now we will use from there only sin C. Now we have to use this angle. Now we will see. Sin C, as we know, opposite side of this angle, opposite side of C, angle C, of angle C by hypotenuse. So that sin C is equal to, what is the opposite side of that? That is AB. So opposite side of angle C is AB, that is 24, and hypotenuse, as we know, is 25. So this is the answer. Now cos C is equal to, we have to write the ratio first. Directly we can write, but beginners, we practice by writing the complete steps. So cos, remember, cos adjacent side by hypotenuse. What is the adjacent side of this angle? That is BC. So adjacent side of angle C by hypotenuse. Alright, so cos C is equal to, what is the adjacent side? 7. What is the hypotenuse? 25. So this is the answer. Here it is the answer. So in this way, if you know the trigonometric ratios, then it is very easy to solve this exercise, and very simple exercise here given, not an issue. Alright. So I am rubbing this. So you better take a screenshot. Now, second problem is given here. In figure 8.13, find tan P minus quarter. There is a diagram given here. P, Q, R. P, Q, R. Sorry, a little bit different. Let me draw exactly what is given in the book, so that no confusion will be there in your mind. So right angle at Q, P is one acute angle and R is one acute angle. Alright, and all the dimensions are given 13 centimeter. Alright. Now here also, what you have to find? Find tan P minus cot R. Cot R. That we have to find out. Now, from the triangle we can see that one side is missing. Alright, one side is missing. Which side? That is the base. That is the base. We can call it base because angle is not mentioned right now. So we can call it base. This one is the base. So same way, using Pythagoras theorem, we can find out the base from there. So by Pythagoras theorem, we have to write the Pythagoras theorem. What is Pythagoras theorem? Sum of the other two sides, it has become a habit writing ABC. Sorry. Sum of the other square of other two sides is equal to square of longest side, that is hypotenuse. Alright. Now put the values. Directly you can put the values, or there are many ways to calculate it. So I am putting the values. What is PQ? 12 square. Now QR we need, so keep it. What is PR? 13 square. Alright. So here QR square is equal to 13 square minus 12 square. This you can use, you can find out easily by using a square minus b square equal to a plus b equal to a minus b, or directly doing squares. So one thing, dear students, square up to 30 you have to keep in mind by heart. Or by practice it will be automatically fixed in your mind. But the beginners, I would like to request you, so these squares from 1 to 30 you should keep memorized always, so that it become very handy. Alright. So what is the square of 13? 169. What is the square of 12? 144. Now subtract. So QR we get root over 5 and 2. That is QR is equal to 5. So here is 5 centimeter. So this is the way. So whenever we need to find out any side of the right angle triangle, then we use the Pythagoras theorem. We use the Pythagoras theorem. By using Pythagoras theorem, we can find out any required side when two sides are given. Alright. So do you remember? We do remember these things, then it become very easy. Okay, I'm rubbing it. Now from here, tan P. So let us write tan P minus cot R. So same ratio, remember tan only. Remember this is the angle, nothing. Angle may be changed, but name of the ratio will be same. So tan P, we will take P. So if we take P, then these are the sides. So remember, in tan and cot, there is no hypotenuse. Always remember. So tan P will be what? What will be the ratio for tan P? Opposite side by adjacent side. This is the opposite side and this is adjacent side. Therefore, we can write like this: opposite side by adjacent side, that is PQ minus cot R. So if you forget cot R, remember tan. Then take reciprocal. Instead of cot, you can remember by remembering tan R. What is tan R? Then this angle. If you, this is a technique only, don't blindly memorize it. This is a technique only. So if you forget what is the ratio of cot R, then go for tan with the same angle. So tan R will be opposite side by adjacent side, this one. For cot R, take the reciprocal, then adjacent side by opposite side. That is QR by PQ. QR by PQ. So now, what is QR? 5. What is PQ? 12. What is QR? Here, 5. What is PQ? 12. Now what is the answer? It is 0. It is 0. It is 0. So this is the answer. Alright. So this is the answer. So we have solved 2 problems from this exercise 8.1. Others are very simple. So I would like to request my dear students, do comment what I need to do in terms of sound, visual effect, light, and instead of this digital board, I love this traditional board, that is green board. I am using a green board. In whiteboard there is a problem, so it is very good to work on it, and it is traditional. I love the traditional way to teach instead of writing all those digital boards. So do comment for me for improvement, for further practicing, and do share it, like it, and please don't forget to subscribe, because unless the subscriber goes to 1000, I will not be able to take it online. So the moment I come online, it will be very helpful for all of you to take your questions, to ask me question directly and suggest me as well. Alright. So with this few problems today in this period, I would like to conclude my class here. Hope you will enjoy this. If there is any need of improvement, please do comment me and share with your friends. Thank you very much to be here my class. Bye.